Fossil fuels have been the primary source of energy for centuries. However, they come with a number of significant drawbacks that make them unsustainable in the long run. Fossil fuels release greenhouse gases into the atmosphere, which contributes to global warming and climate change. This can lead to rising sea levels, more frequent and severe weather events, and damage to the ecosystems. Besides that, fossil fuels also cause air pollution, which can have negative impacts on human health, including respiratory problems and cardiovascular disease. In light of these disadvantages, it is clear that we need to transition away from fossil fuel energy and towards more sustainable alternatives. And wave energy is one of them. Wave energy has massive potential to generate electricity. According to the International Renewable Energy Agency, IRENA, the global technical potential for wave energy is estimated to be around 29,500 terawatt-hours per year. This is equivalent to around 10% of the world's electricity consumption. However, the transition from fossil fuels to wave energy is not without its challenges. Several researches of wave energy power plant have been developed before, but again, there are still a lot of problems, mostly due to the high cost that needed to build the wave energy power plant. But we still have some hopes. There's a new technology that promises to overcome many of these weaknesses. Introducing the Freewheel wave energy, innovation of ocean wave power plant design with Freewheel components to support renewable energy conservation. This innovative technology is based on simple yet elegant design that can overcome many of the weaknesses of the other wave energy power plants. The FREEWAVE design structure consists of several mechanical components arranged into a single unit. The first component contained in the FREEWAVE is the float. The functions of the float is to catch the up and down movement of the sea waves continuously. The next component is the double gear rack. Serves to connect the float with the freewheel so that it can produce circular motion on the freewheel. Then we move on to an important component of this design, namely the freewheel. It is said to be the most important because this component is the basic working principle of the wave power plant design that we made. Freewheel is one of the mechanical components on the rear wheels of bicycles that have chains. The working principle is very simple. When the freewheel is rotated counterclockwise, the freewheel will also rotate the bicycle's axle. Conversely, when the freewheel is rotated clockwise, the freewheel will not rotate the bicycle's axle. This is the principle of freewheel that we can apply to the design model of this power plant. When sea waves rise, it can automatically cause the front freewheel rotate clockwise and the rear freewheel rotate counterclockwise. The movement of the rear freewheel will automatically rotate the shaft connected to the gearbox. Conversely, when the sea waves fall, the front freewheel will rotate counterclockwise, and the rear freewheel will rotate clockwise. In this condition, the movement of the freewheel will rotate the shaft. The combined motion of these two freewheels creates a continuous shaft motion. The rotation will be multiplied by a gearbox connected to a generator, so that it can generate much larger amount of electrical energy. The design of FREEWAVE has many advantages compared to previous wave power plant models. FREEWAVE does not need to be placed directly on the high seas to catch the wave movement. so it does not require routine maintenance and easier to reach. Therefore, the cost spent are not too large. The most significant advantage of the freewheel system is that this is more efficient than traditional wave energy system. The freewheel device is designed to extract energy from the entire wave cycle, not only just the crest or through of the wave. This means that it can generate more electricity from the same amount of wave energy. The FREEWAVE is a promising technology that can overcome many of the weaknesses of other wave energy power plants have. It's less invasive, more durable, more cost-effective, and more efficient design, make it a viable option for generating clean energy from the ocean. With FREEWAVE, we can unlock the full potential of the ocean wave energy and move towards a more sustainable future.